To see the CompanyREFS page for a particular stock, click on the blue button to the left of its name. This will open up the latest REFS page for that company, with data based on the share price at market close the previous day. The graph in the top right corner shows the share price and earnings per share over the last 5 years. The solid dotted line shows normalised historic earnings per share, and the dashed dotted line shows future earnings based on consensus forecasts. The average monthly share price is shown by the solid line forming the shaded area of the graph, which therefore highlights share price movement. The relative strength of the shares against the market, as measured by the FTSE All-Share Index, is shown by the dashed line. The inclination of this line shows if the company's share price has been moving up or down in relation to the market. Investors use this data to get an instant fix on the size and shape of a company, as well as its position in the sector and market as a whole. This column starts with the date and price at the last close of business. It then lists a series of key statistics including earnings per share, pre-tax profits, dividend yield, price to earnings ratio and gearing. REFS unique moons rank each statistic within the market M and sector S. Black moons represent more attractive and white or empty moons less attractive. Crosshairs indicate not calculated. Key statistics begin with the EPIC code for that company to help you identify it on the London Stock Exchange. Beneath this is a panel showing the proportion of turnover and profit directly attributed to the activities and the geographical area indicated. The headings and figures are derived from the latest published annual report. Within this panel are the activities of the company, a full list of current directors, brokers, financial advisors and auditors. The outlook is any statement provided by the company within the last annual report. The news flow lists significant news announcements made by the company in the past 12 months and of any major capital change. Here you can see at a glance any significant recent transactions that may indicate a director's invested interest in the company's fortunes. The total percentage held by major shareholders and directors is noted after each class of share. Shareholders are shown in size order as percentage of shares in issue, millions of shares, thousands of shares, and number of shares if under 1,000. The plus-minus figure depicts if a shareholder has bought or sold shares in the past 9 months. For example, +2 means they increased their shareholding 2 months ago. This section provides the latest recommendations, earnings and dividends estimates from a range of brokers, so you can see what they make of the company in question. This is a 5-year summary of historical financial statistics and 2 years of estimates, including key data such as pre-tax profit, normalised earnings per share and cash flow per share. All data in this table is adjusted when appropriate to take account of share capital change and to annualise data from any periods having more or less than 12 months.